Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix disconnected from server system request error 100199 in Throne and Liberty game. So if you are also going through this kind of issue, just follow the methods discussed in this video. So the very first method is to restart your PC, router and modem as well. So for that, click on the Windows icon over here. Now click on power, then select restart. So this will restart your system. Apart from this, you should also restart your router and then check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, launch Steam. Now under library section, you have to select your game, and after selecting the game, here I am showing you an example. Right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files, now check if the error is resolved or not. Next is to change DNS settings. So here you have to use these DNS settings and then check for the issue. So for that, go to the Windows search over here, search for control panel. Now click on network and internet, then click on network and sharing. Now change adapter settings, then select your Wi-Fi, right click on it, properties, then select internet protocol, then click on properties. Now use the following DNS over here. So you are suggested to type these DNS over there in the primary and secondary. So here you have to type 1.1.1.1, and in the alternate secondary you have to type 1.0.0.1, and after that click on OK and then check if the issue you are coming across is resolved or not. If not, next method is to check for broken IP. For that, you have to launch the command prompt. After that, type ipconfig and then check if IP begins with 192.168 and then further. If it is okay, if it begins with this, then well and good. Otherwise, again you have to type ipconfig/release, then ipconfig renew, and then check if the IP starts with 192, or you can also simply reboot your router unless you see the IP starts or begins with 192.dash or further. So this can resolve the issue easily. If not, then next solution is to change a region and then check if the issue is resolved or not. So for that, launch Steam. Now here you have to click on Steam option over here, then click on settings. After that, click on downloads, and here you can see a download region. You have to simply select any other region, whatever you want, and after that check if the problem is resolved or not. Next solution is to set Windows network to public. So if you are using VPN, then set Windows network to public from private, and after that reboot and then check if the error is resolved or not. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Throne and Liberty game. So for that, launch Steam. Now under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game completely from your PC. After removing the game, now restart your PC once. After restarting, again launch Steam and then try to play the game after reinstalling Throne and Liberty, and then check if the error you are coming across is resolved or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.